Okay, so let's go over the settings a bit. If you want to edit it, just click in the chart and then double click on the DeltaPrint. Then you get this screen. So let's get started. You can turn off the open close bars, turn off the background, you can turn off the profiles if you just want the numbers. And if you just want the numbers with the delta shading, you can select it here in the drop down box. When selecting this, I usually deselect the outlines. You can change the colors. And you can set a manual delta. So let's try that. Alright, so now you can see the higher deltas stand out more. So if you want that, you can select it over here. So let's get back to the DeltaPrint bars. You can turn off the text if you want, so you just get the profiles, but you probably don't want that. You can use a different font style. So just choose any that you like. So on default, it's set to the outsides. So if you want to put in a margin from the sides, you can just select it here or type it in the box. That's usually handy when the open close bar is selected, so they don't overlap. You can also show the total volume in the middle. And you might want to widen the bars if you do that, depending on the product. You can also show the delta. And you can hide the numbers on the side. So that way you can only show the delta or the total volume. Another feature that we have is on the profile options. You can set it to a minimum volume. Let's try that. So now you can see that there's only being drawn a profile when the volume is 1000 or higher. And this could be really handy when you want to watch higher volume and don't want to be distracted by low volume. Or you can set it to a maximum width. So let's say we choose 1500, then a bar with 1500 volume or higher is being drawn as 100% bar. You can also change the separator. Commonly used is the X. Prefer this one though. You can change the text color. So depending on what color you choose, white or black or whatever might be better visible. There's also the delta imbalance. When you use this, it's maybe a good idea to turn off the profiles if you just want to see the numbers, and I usually turn off the weak bid vol and the weak ask vol, since it's not really giving much new info. And of course you can also change the color with this as well. And feel free to combine whatever option you want. Like for instance, you can turn on the profiles, make them wider, so you can still read the numbers well and the coloring. Another option is also to just draw the rectangles around the numbers and don't be distracted by their different color. Alright, well this is like an example of one of the many combinations you can make. Feel free to play with it, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.